Jai Srimanarayana. 12th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Lobha pravrittihi arambhaha karmanam asamaspruha rajasyetani jayante vivruddhe bharatarshava. Om. Realize that if the Rajogunam is predominant in you, you will be doing all useless activities and you will not feel like spending either your time, money or anything on essential things. You will be longing for all kind of pleasures, mundane pleasures, and you will do everything which is oriented with results. So keep watching about that and keep improving Sattvika Gunam. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall keep on trying to improve Sattvika Gunam in me. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 273rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Krishna Paramatma along with Balarama and other friends is coming back to Vrindavan. At that time Krishna was looking so beautiful, handsome. To see him, all the gopikas coming, so many gopikas as a groups and groups, they are all coming. Pitva mukunda mukhasaragham akshibhrungaihi Kamala Nayanu Vadana Kamala Marandambudavili Nayana Shatpadamula Valanadраvi. Gopika's eyes are like butterflies. Mukunda's, Krishna's divine face, beautiful face is like honey. That means Gopika's eyes, which are butterflies, drinking the honey of honey means Krishna Paramatma's divine face. So Gopikas drinking all that honey with their eyes to their maximum satisfaction. Like that, all day they were away from Krishna Paramatma, Gopikas. So they are comforting themselves by drinking honey from Krishna Paramatma's divine face and enjoying. Some of the Gopikas giving a beautiful looks to Krishna. Some of them are giving kind of naughty looks to Krishna. Some of the Gopikas giving very humble looks to Krishna. Some of the Gopikas giving shyful looks to Krishna. Krishna Paramatma receiving all the looks of all the Gopikas with enough respect. And with all of them, he entered into Vrindavan. While giving happiness to all the Gopikas, Krishna entered Vrindavan. Then Balarama, Krishna went into their houses, went into their home. There Rohini Devi, Yasoda Devi, both of them cooked very delicious, most beloved items of Balarama and Krishna, and with so much of affection those mothers fed Balarama and Krishna. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishna Deva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 12th sloka. Lobha pravrutirarambhaha karmanamasamasspruha rajasyetani jayante vivruddhe bharatarshava. Lobha pravrutirarambhaha karmanamasamasspruha rajasyetani jayante vivruddhe bharatarshava. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.